Ever needed to quickly send money to a friend, family member, or even a business? Maybe you've won an online auction or want to tip your favorite content creator. Whatever the reason, chances are you've considered using Cash App. But how do you actually share your Cash App link to make it easy for others to send you money? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. And when it comes to money, being able to send and receive it effortlessly is a game changer. Cash App has become a popular choice for many, offering a quick and easy way to transfer funds. But if you're new to the platform or simply haven't figured out how to share your Cash App link, don't worry, you're not alone. First things first, what is a Cash App link? Essentially, it's a unique URL that directs people directly to your Cash App profile. Sharing this link makes it super simple for others to send you money without needing any additional information. It's like having a direct line to your digital wallet. Now, why would you want to share your Cash App link? Well, there are plenty of reasons. Maybe you're a small business owner looking for a hassle-free way to accept payments. Perhaps you're organizing a group activity and need to collect funds from participants. Or maybe you're just a generous soul who wants to make it easy for friends and family to send you money for your birthday or other special occasions. So, how do you actually go about sharing your Cash App link? Let's break it down. Method 1. Directly from the Cash App. The most straightforward way to share your Cash App link is directly from the app itself. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon. Look for the option to share cash tag or something similar. Tap on it and you'll be presented with different sharing options like copying the link, sharing on social media, or sending it via text. Method 2. Manually creating the link. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually create your Cash App link. The basic structure of a Cash App link is cash.app/$yourcashtag. Replace your cash tag with your actual Cash App username. Once you have the link, you can share it through any platform you like. Tips for sharing your Cash App link. Keep it simple. The shorter and easier your Cash App link is to remember, the better. Use clear call to actions. Tell people what you want them to do with the link. For example, send me money via Cash App or support my business with a donation. Promote your link. Share it on your social media profiles, website, or email signature. Be mindful of security. Only share your Cash App link with people you trust. Now, you might be wondering, is there a way to customize my Cash App link? Unfortunately, as of now, Cash App doesn't offer customization options. But don't worry, there are other ways to personalize your payment experience. You can add a custom profile picture and name to your Cash App account to give it a more personal touch. Remember, sharing your Cash App link is a convenient way to make transactions smoother for both you and the recipient. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your link and start receiving payments effortlessly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy cashing.